What's popping, my people? What's popping, my people? As you can see, I'm orange again, like last video. This is part 2 of Jailbreak, and if you haven't joined the last part 1 of Jailbreak, and y'all didn't like that video, I don't know why. It's really cool. So today I am playing with no one, not with Colin either. So yeah, let's get to the middle where the courtyard is. Kaboom! Okay, guys. So I just got to the courtyard magically. So do not judge, guys. Do not judge. So yeah. So why is there a helicopter here, and why are they resting? That was getting weird. Let me pick a rocket. Let me pick a rocket. Dude, do that. I'm trying to pick a rocket you, but y'all won't let me. Dude, I don't want to go. Stop. Bro. Bro. Let's go. Oh, crap. Please, man, just died. What? Give me that. Boy! No! God, please, no! No! Oh my god. As you can see, I'm just kidding. Oh my god! Stop going crazy with that. Are you okay? Are you okay? You okay? Boy! I need you, dude. Do that? I'm not going in there because I know it's gonna happen. I'm gonna eventually die, and they're all gonna look at my butt while I die. My butt's great. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Yeah. Bam! That's what you get. Don't you. I'll drop cash for key, but don't kill me. I'll drop cash for key, but don't kill me. I'll drop cash for key, but don't kill me, dude. Lord of Scorpion. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That man up here. That man up here. Come on in, help. Well, time for you then. Crap. I will shoot them. They are. Let them not notice me. Let them not notice me. Go in the corner. Maybe they won't notice me. Will they? Because I'm trapped in here because of that Batman, dude. Look at that. The boy. Idiot. God, do that. Oh my God, what was that for? Dude, oh yeah, you kill him. I'm gonna punch him. Punch him. Kill him. Dude, kill him. He's gonna arrest. Why ain't I in the jumpsuit yet? Where do you want to kill him? I want to punch him. I'm gonna kill him. Batman, dude. Batman, dude. Black Mamba. Hello. Okay, dudes. Drop cash for money. I'll drop cash for money. I'll drop cash for key, but don't kill me. Let me highlight that. I can't highlight. Are you serious? Okay, whatever. I'll drop cash for key, but don't kill me. I'll drop cash for key, dude. I'll drop cash for key. Hello. I'll drop cash for key. I'll drop cash for key. I'll drop cash for key. Dude. I'll drop cash for key. Card. I'll drop cash for key card, dude. Anyone? Hello? Let's go, guys. Sorry I was quiet for a while. I do that sometimes. Who cares? I escaped! Yeah. Now I just need to escape without getting caught. Come on. Get there. Come on, get there. Yeah. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna get caught anyway, so why would I get the... Oh, someone's going to the donut shop. Oh crap, that's a strong tree. That's one strong tree. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. No. Let's go. Oh, slow motion. Silent drive. Oh! Car crash, yeah. Sorry, I didn't know that. Oh my god, this is a long drive, kids, so put your seatbelt on, yeah. Dun. Let's go, dudes. Where's the Tesla that's usually here? Are you serious right now? Let's go up there. The ramp. That was like magic, dude. Not 24 magic. Just kidding. Don't. Oh, that's a good flip. I'll give hashtag for keycard. OMG, boy, it's just cash. You know, drop cash. I think it means you accidentally drop cash. Let's go. Let me see if I can answer here. Dang, let's try it. Come on, dude. That sucks. Hey, how about we go? How about guys? How about we go get our design first? Let's go. Let's get our design and then we can go back over here. Yeah, you. Come on, kill him. Aim. Oh my god. How much policemen are there? Dude, I want to twerk. On the face. Seriously killing me? Oh my god. My body parts are even, yeah, here's my orange butt, guys. You wanna see it? Just kidding. Okay, guys, I think this is where I'm gonna have to end the video for now. Part 3 is coming out, just saying, part 3 is coming out. So, yeah, let's do it. Goodbye. Enjoy.